Hello, this video is on installing SWAT 2012 version add-in on ArcGIS Pro. The installation of ArcSWAT add-in or plugin is simple but need to take care of a few steps to have this plugin working effectively. So here are the 4 steps which we are going to cover in this video. First of all, we will visit SWAT website, which is swat.tamu.edu. TAMU stands for Texas A&M University. So on this SWAT website, we will first download ArcSWAT plugin. Along with that, we will also download SWAT editor and install it. If you already have a SWAT editor installed on your computer, you can ignore this step, but make sure you have this ArcSWAT database file .mdb file under the SWAT editor databases folder. If not, install the SWAT editor or copy this file simply to your database folder. So let's first go to the SWAT website. I have the SWAT website open here. So here is SWAT website homepage. On the top right corner, you can see we have the software tab. We will click on this one and you will see here both of our SWAT model versions are available. Since this video is about SWAT 2012 plugin for ArcGIS Pro, we will go to the SWAT 2012 web page. And on this web page here, we have this ArcSWAT tab. Simply by clicking on it, you can download the ArcSWAT plugin. You can see on the same web page we have the SWAT editor also. You can download SWAT editor also from here. I have both of these files installed under my download folder. So the plugin, the add-in would be installed with .isri add-in X extension, whereas a SWAT editor will be installed in a zipped folder. You can unzip it. Let's first install the SWAT editor. Under the SWAT installed downloaded SWAT editor folder, look for setup.exe. Simply double click on this one and a SWAT editor setup wizard would appear. Make your selections by clicking on next and accepting the agreement. Defining the location, usually keep it the same under the C drive because ArcSWAT plugin would be looking for some database files under the same folder. Make your selection for everyone or just me. Click on the next, and with that one, you will be able to install the SWAT editor on your computer. So I'm not clicking the next here to start the installation because I have already installed it. It will take a couple of minutes to install. It's not there is no further steps to install this one. And as we have installed the SWAT editor, it is time to make sure that we have ArcSWAT database file under the databases folder. So for that one, we will go to the C drive under the SWAT folder, under the SWAT editor folder, under databases folder, and we will look for ArcSWAT pros 2012.mdb file. As we have this file, this means we are ready to install and use ArcSWAT plugin. Going back to my download folder, and I have the ArcSWAT plugin downloaded. But before installing it, let me go to the ArcGIS Pro. On the top right corner under the Project tab, let's see what version of ArcGIS Pro I have. I have clicked on this About tab. Here is the ArcGIS Pro 3.2.1 version I have. Currently, we have a ArcSWAT Pro plugin default for ArcGIS Pro 3.2 version, but in future we will have multiple plugins depending on the different ArcGIS Pro versions. Then here is add-in manager of ArcGIS Pro. Here you can see we don't have any add-in. So this is where when we will install our ArcSWAT plugin, that would appear here. Also, here on the top tab where we have pros, project, map, and insert tabs. Here, after installing the ArcSWAT Pro plugin, one tab would appear here in between share and help with name of ArcSWAT. Since we don't have any tab here, that means we have not installed ArcSWAT Pro yet. So let's install it. Just simple double click on this installed and on this downloaded file. Click on the install add-in, and this after the installation completion, this message would appear. Um, Click OK, and now it is time to check whether the ArcSWAT Pro plugin is installed or not. So for that one, here we can see in between share and help, there has not any ArcSWAT tab appeared. So this means is there a problem to in the installation or what happened? And under the add-in manager here, again, we can see the ArcSWAT Pro plugin has not been installed. This happened because when we have installed, the ArcGIS Pro was already open. Even though the plugin or the add-in has been installed, but since it was open, it has not appeared yet. So we have to refresh the ArcGIS Pro. And I'm simply closing it and reopening ArcGIS Pro to refresh ArcGIS Pro and see if my plugin is installed successfully or not. Opening ArcGIS Pro will take a few seconds. Okay, I will start without a template. And here you can see on the top, along with share and help, ArcSWAT tab has appeared. That means our installation has been successful. And under the project file, go to the add-in manager and you can see one add-in has appeared, which is ArcSWAT 3. And here is some information of the version and uh, creator and location of that plugin on your computer. And you can manage the plugin from here in future if you need to delete this plugin and need to install a new one. Let's go back to the ArcSWAT Pro tab. Here, just by simple clicking on Start ArcSWAT, the plugin would be ready to use. So we have kept the interface similar to the QSWAT. So there are multiple videos available on YouTube how to use QSWAT interface effectively to generate a SWAT project. So we are not covering that one in this video. You can refer to those videos since the entire interface is same. Well, with that, we have installed our plugin successfully and it is ready to use and do some innovative SWAT modeling research. Good luck and thank you.